In this video, we will look at the volume of a prism. Now, it's really important to remember that this formula is given to you on your formula sheet. Okay, so page 2 of your exam, we are told that the area of a cross-section multiply the length is equal to the volume. Now, the cross-section will change depending on the shape that's given to you. In this case, we would work out the area of the face, which in this case is a triangle, and multiply it by how far it goes back. Quick reminder of all the different areas you will need to know when looking at area of prism. So you will need to know to work out the area of a square, it would be the length times the width, in the same way as it would be for a rectangle. The triangle is half base times height, making sure that it is a perpendicular height that you are looking at. Area of parallelogram is found by base multiplied again by that perpendicular height, so that height that makes a right angle with the base value. Familiarise yourself with the area of these, as you will not be given it in an exam. You will need to apply your understanding of the area of the face. Let's look at the my turn question. We are asked to find what the volume of this prism is. Now we can see the face of this prism is indeed a triangle. We are told to be able to work out the volume, we would multiply the area of the cross-section by the length. So in this case, we are looking to say the volume would be equal to the area of the cross-section multiplied by the length. We can write down the length straight away, as that is given to us as multiplied by 5. The area of the cross-section, however, will be a calculation we do using our understanding of the half base times height for the area of the triangle, or base times height divided by 2. So the base times the height is given to us as 14 multiplied by 2. We would be halving that value and then multiplying it by 5 to calculate the volume. So remember, the 5 continues down from the length given to us in the question. 14 multiplied by 2 gives us 28, divided by 2 gives us a value of 14. And we are looking to multiply that by 5. You may have spotted that that 2 and that 2 will cancel to give you the 14. The volume, therefore, of this triangular prism would be equal to 14 times by 5, which is 70 centimetres cubed. Press pause while you try the your turn question. In this question, we can see we have the face of this shape is again a triangle. That means when we're looking to work out the volume is equal to the cross-section multiplied by the length. We are looking at a triangle area to begin with here. That comes from the 18 and the 6 centimetres there. So that means we can start it off by saying we've got 18 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. So that gives us our half base times by our perpendicular height. We multiply that by the distance the shape goes back. In this case, it is 11. We have 18 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 gives us an answer of 54. We multiply that by 11 for the length, which gives us a volume of this shape as 594 centimetres cubed.